Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best craft drill is probably one of the most versatile and indispensable tools for any DIY enthusiast or professional craftsman, offering unparalleled precision and power for a wide range of projects from intricate woodworking to heavy-duty construction. Its innovative design and robust build quality ensure durability and reliability, making it a worthy investment for anyone serious about their craft. Whether you're drilling precise holes, driving screws with ease, or tackling complex assembly tasks, this tool is engineered to deliver exceptional performance and user satisfaction, transforming your creative visions into reality with efficiency and accuracy. Number 5. COMOWARE 20V Cordless Drill Set. Experience enhanced torque and spinning strength with our 20-volt cordless drill. Its variable speed settings allow you to effortlessly switch between driving screws and drilling holes in various materials. Achieve perfect results every time with its 25+1 position clutch. This feature offers precise control, preventing overdriving screws and ensuring accuracy for all your drilling tasks. Keep working longer with the high-capacity 1500 mAh battery. Plus, the fast charger gets you back to your project in just 60 minutes, minimizing downtime. Easily switch between different bits with the 3/8-inch keyless chuck, tightened by hand. The built-in LED light illuminates your workspace, even in dark or confined areas. This electric drill comes with a comprehensive set of 34 accessories, including various drill and screwdriver bits. It's perfect for all your home improvement and DIY projects, all neatly organized in a compact storage case. What we like. This drill offers robust torque for tough jobs and variable speeds for precision. If you need a reliable workhorse for a variety of home improvement tasks and want to minimize downtime, this is a great choice. Its powerful performance and quick charging ensure you can tackle projects efficiently. What people say. Comes with lots of attachments and bits, etc. The battery life is pretty decent. It's light but good quality as it's last me through many projects for my old apartment as well as a few jobs for clients. It is light and easy to use. It has a lot of accessories. Powerful motor. Number 4. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit, Pink 69 PCS. Introducing the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool, your perfect companion for all your DIY fine work. This high-performance tool is designed for precision and ease of use. Achieve the perfect finish with its 5-speed adjustment, ranging from 5000 to 18,000 revolutions per minute. This allows you to easily match the speed to your specific task, ensuring optimal results every time. Its compact and lightweight design makes it feel like holding a pen, offering ultimate control and comfort. Take it anywhere and use it whenever inspiration strikes. Powered by a 3.7V rechargeable battery with a 2000 mAh capacity, it provides over 200 minutes of use on a single charge. USB charging makes powering up convenient and easy. Work with confidence even in dimly lit areas thanks to the integrated LED light. It illuminates your workspace, reducing shadows and ensuring more precise and accurate results. This kit includes 69 essential accessories, making it incredibly versatile for various DIY projects like sanding, polishing, drilling, and engraving. It's ideal for detailed work, not heavy-duty tasks. What we like. This mini rotary tool is perfect for detailed, fine work where precision is key. If you enjoy intricate crafting, model making, or small DIY projects and need a tool that's comfortable to hold for extended periods, this is ideal. Its portability and ease of charging make it a convenient companion for creativity on the go. What people say. I love that it's cordless so I don't have to worry about wires while I use it, however if it dies you can use it while it charges. The battery lasts a long time and it's super easy to use. I like that I can adjust the speed and the actual tool itself isn't bulky and uncomfortable to hold in either hand. The little light at the tip is worth its weight in gold. Number 3. Fanttik F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. Introducing the Fanttik F2 Master Mini, a powerful yet quiet cordless rotary tool. Its Neo-Pulse motor delivers exceptional performance for all your crafting needs. Experience unmatched control with 5 adjustable speed settings, reaching up to 25,000 revolutions per minute. This tool handles intricate tasks with ease, providing stronger performance and less heat. The innovative Ravoster hub keeps 35 essential accessories neatly organized and within reach. Say goodbye to lost tools and hello to effortless DIY projects. Weighing only 0.22 pounds, this mini rotary tool is incredibly portable. Its durable aluminum case ensures it's ready for any creative adventure, wherever you go. Enjoy a user-friendly experience with its integrated speed control, waterproof design, and clear LED speed indicator. It's built to adapt to any workspace. With universal USB-C charging, a full charge takes just 60 minutes. The convenient power indicator ensures you're always aware of the battery status. What we like. Experience quieter, more powerful performance with its advanced brushless motor and convenient magnetic accessory storage. If you're looking for a premium, portable tool for detailed work like 3D print finishing or intricate crafts, and appreciate smart design features, this is the one. Its ease of use and organized accessories streamline your creative process. What people say. Brushless motor operates quietly and efficiently, reducing noise by 30% compared to standard motors. Offers 5 adjustable speed settings up to 25,000 revolutions per minute, allowing users to match the speed to the task at hand. Comes with 35 different bits, catering to a range of tasks. Number 2. Manual Craft Drill HSS Micro Mini Twist Drill Bit Set. Stop letting poor quality tools ruin your intricate work. Our manual hand drill ensures precise and accurate results for your jewelry, resin, or model projects. Don't struggle with dull bits anymore. Our super sharp drill bits with a perfect cutting angle make the process smoother and more efficient, saving you time and frustration. These sharp micro twist drill bits are perfect for a wide variety of materials. Effortlessly drill through wood, plastic, rubber, fiberglass, and much more. Please note, this is a manual drill, not electric. While it may be slower, it offers superior accuracy and precision for delicate tasks where control is paramount. Crafted from high-speed steel, HSS, these micro drill bits are exceptionally durable. They are built to handle demanding tasks on various materials, outperforming competitors. What we like. For ultimate control and accuracy in delicate tasks, this manual drill is unmatched. If you work with sensitive materials like resin or jewelry and prioritize precision over speed, this tool is perfect for you. Its sharp HSS bits ensure clean, efficient work without the risk of over-drilling. What people say. It's a very solid tool that looks like it will last me a long time and can be used for lots of projects. The Craft 911 Manual Craft Drill Sharp is a surprisingly capable tool for hobbyists, especially considering its compact size, which makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Despite its lightweight feel, the durability of the casing suggests it can handle the occasional drop on a craft room floor. Number 1. HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool 4V. Never let a dead battery interrupt your flow again. Our rotary tool features a 1-meter Type-C fast charging cable, allowing you to use it while it charges. Stay in your creative zone without any frustrating pauses. Unleash your creativity with enhanced power. This tool's upgraded motor handles most small DIY materials with ease, helping you perfect every detail and personalize special gifts. Experience improved service life with our enhanced battery durability. Its unique charging protection ensures a longer lifespan and optimal performance, so your creativity is never compromised. Conquer any small DIY task with ease thanks to 5 adjustable speeds. Even beginners can enjoy effortless control, and its lightweight design reduces hand strain for hours of comfortable work. This versatile tool comes with 42 popular accessories, making it perfect for engraving, sanding, polishing, and more. It's your portable toolbox for creating resin, clay crafts, and other fine DIY projects. What we like. This rotary tool offers the unique advantage of being usable even while it's charging, ensuring uninterrupted creativity. If you're a DIY enthusiast who values continuous workflow and a tool that's built for longevity, this is an excellent option. Its comfortable, lightweight design makes it suitable for long crafting sessions. What people say. Diamond tips work great. The cordless design makes it perfect for indoor and outdoor use. With a variety of attachments for sanding, engraving, polishing, and more, it's like having a mini workshop in my hands. Changing the bits is quick and hassle-free. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.